Rumpelstiltskin. "Look at my daughter," says the miller. "She can spin well. Look at her." "Look at my daughter," says the miller. "She can spin well. Look at her." "Look at her," says the miller. "She can spin straw into gold." "Oh," says the king, "can she? Then she can come to my castle." The king takes her to his castle. "Now," says the king, "here is a room. Here is some straw. Spin it into gold. Do it tonight, or die." "I can't do it," says the girl. "Shh," says a little man. "Give me your necklace, and I can help you." She gives him her necklace, and he spins. He spins all the straw into gold. It is morning. The king comes. "Good," he says. "Good. Now here is a bigger room," says the king. "And here is some more straw. Spin it into gold. Do it or die." "I can't do it," says the girl. "Shh," says the little man. "Give me your ring, and I can help you." She gives him her ring, and he spins. He spins all the straw into gold. It is morning. The king comes. "Good," he says. "Good. Here is the biggest room," says the king. "And here is much more straw. Spin it all into gold. Do it, and you can be queen." "I can't do it," says the girl. "Shh," says the little man. "I can help you, but you must give me something." "What can I give you?" she says. "Your baby," says the little man, "when you are queen." Then he spins. He spins all the straw into gold. It is morning. The king comes. "Good," he says. "Very good. Now you can be queen." Now the miller's daughter is queen, and the people love her. One day, the queen has a baby. It is a beautiful baby girl, and the queen is very happy. But the little man comes back. "What do you want?" she says. "You know what I want," he says. "The baby. Give her to me now." "Oh no," says the queen. "Please don't take my baby." "Shh," says the little man. "All right, but tell me my name. I give you 3 days." The next night, the little man comes back. "Is your name Tom?" she says. "No," says the little man. "Is it Harry?" Is it Barry? Is it Jack? Is it John? Is it Sam? Is it Dom? Is it Bob? Is it Rob? No, he says. No. The queen cannot sleep. What is his name? She says. What is it? It is morning. The little man comes back. Do you know my name? He says. Do you know it now? Is your name Bigfoot? She says. No, says the little man. Is it Redface? Is it Grinshaw? Is it Long Nose? Is it Ice Blue? No, says the little man. No, no, no. Tell me my name tomorrow, or give me the baby. The queen cannot sleep. What is his name? She says. What is it? She is hot. She cannot sleep. The night is cold. The moon is white. His name, she says. What is it? They say something. What is it? Says the queen. A light, a fire, says her friend. It is the little man. He dances and he sings. I am the best one at my game. Rumpelstiltskin is my name. It is morning. The little man comes back. Do you know my name? Do you know it now? He says. Is your name Grangle Baggle? She says. No, it is not. Is it Hamly Bamly? No, says the little man. No, it is not. Then is your name Rumpelstiltskin? The little man is red. Then puff, he goes. Puff, and he never comes back.